visit in Malabuyok tonight.
Your visit in Malabuyok.
Yeah.
But you're not here. You're not live here.
I'm not leave her.
So hello guys, good evening. Welcome again sa ating vlog, Chismosong Bisaya right here. So nata karon diri sa Malabuyok Park. So mangita tag atong ma-prank guys. So hopefully natin makitaan kay medyo mingaw-mingaw ang surroundings. Mangita tag kuan atong ma-prank karon, mag English, Spanish rata din. Tanawon to iyang reaction kung unsa ilang reaction nga makabalo nga Bisaya ta. So let's go.
Kuan, nya ang man.
What lang niya? What siya kuan? Aligya. Siguro.
Mao po digayon. Ay ako mo to ganun ko ato kaligya pero
Disculpar señora, buenas noches. Me ahoga que quiero volver. No habla español. Si no entiende, por favor.
I cannot understand.
I don't understand. Wala gindi ko wala nang
I'm sorry señora, but no entiende, por favor.
Spanish. Sorry ka.
Sabot ano?
Ka Spanish.
Me ahoga que quiero volver. La tarde saler.
Oh my God.
Speak English.
Speak English kuya.
Bisaya mo ni.
Of course!
Lo siento, por favor, señora, but me no entiende. Yo habla español.
No,
I don't understand.
Espanyol.
You speak English.
I know how to speak English, but I don't understand with the Spanish. Espanyol.
Mga Bisaya mo good ni.
Yeah, mga Bisaya mo gud kuya.
I speak English very little. You understand English?
Not so.
Where are you from?
Here.
Malabuyok.
Malabuyok.
Yes.
So you live here? For how long?
Since birth.
Since birth. What about you?
What? Oh no!
How about you?
How about you? I'm here in Natilan. I'm living in Natilan.
You live in Hinatilan, not here in Malabuyok.
Na,
Oh no!
I'm visiting Malabuyok. I'm visiting Malabuyok tonight.
Your visit in Malabuyok.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
But you're not here. You're not live here.
I'm not leave her.
God.
Thank you
Si
for-
si señora, entiende.
Ay,
Gracias.
English.
So, what is your name?
Lady Wendy.
Oh my God.
What about you?
Colina Sanchez.
Okay, tagal kitang hinanap. Okay, tagal ko ring nangarap na makapiling ka.
I'm here in my house.
Here is your house. Where is your house?
Hinatilan?
You're from Hinatilan.
Yes.
Si, gracias señora.
Visiting some friends.
You have all friends here.
She.
Me, I don't have friend. It's my first time visit here.
In Philippines.
Si, señora. It's my first time. I live in Spania. You know Spania?
Spain.
Yeah. Viva España. You know that one? You hear that one?
Viva Espanya. Mabuhay,
Yes.
Espanya.
Si, señora. Gracias. You understand?
Konti.
You're here in Philippines, right?
Yes.
See, so I've been here for almost 2 weeks. Maybe next day I travel back again to Spania. Yeah, I only here for visit my family side. Both of you are amazing. You're very beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Muy bien. You're very pretty.
Thank you.
You're like a model. Are you model?
No.
Yeah.
No.
What about you? Are you modeling?
I'm
It's okay. I mean, I'm asking, are you a model or not?
or not.
No. She's not a model.
She's not a model.
Yes.
I thought she's a model with a shampoo.
My
Yeah. Your hair is very shiny.
my helpful hair. Yes.
No, not hurtful. You're like a baby. You're very young. So, gracias, señora. Ma'am, taga diri na ba mo, ma'am?
Ay, pistig! Yakay! Bisaya naman din.
Sa imo
Pistig! Yakay! Bisaya naman din. Sus, ginuha ko. English pa to. Sus, ginawa pa to yung English. Ano niya, Bisaya naman din.
Pinaglaban mo yung kami, kuya.
Sa sa Chismusong Bisaya ni siya, Chismusong Bisaya 1592. So, taga diri na mo?
Oh,
Taga-diri na yun, eh.
Bisaya. Inatilan mo? Bisaya. Bisaya, nagprank-prank ra ko.
Anday!
Nailan gid na.
Nahila dyan tao ni Oy. Sinuog ko. Kung ka from Spain dyan ka. Sinuog ko.
Lipat na, lipat na. Nalipat na yun eh. So, kuwan, asa na eh, kanang, basig na may ganahan i-shout out ninyo. Kay kuwan man, kasi naka-i-shout out, taga dire.
Shout out.
Shout out sa mga amigan ako sa Hinatilan.
Kisa may basig, pwede mo kuwan nga, kuwan, sa Chismusong Bisaya ni, bas, i-follow lang ni.
Sa Chismusong Bisaya ni sila, ay mga taga-Sambuan, silang Anthony Rosal, Samantha Perks, o silang uguban pa, mga nilalang.
So, mo to siya guys.
Shout out lang ko sa akong pamilya sa Poblacion Ono.
Sige. So, thank
Guys, ayaw mo kalimot pag-follow sa Chismusong Bisaya 1592.
Bye-bye!